how to think about a down market, and maybe David, like walk us through maybe what you were trying to talk about in this post.
Yeah, for sure. So Elad and I talk about this stuff all the time, and he covered a bunch of it already. But like maybe just to help set the stage a little bit more. So, you know, Elad mentioned that the highest growth stocks are the ones that have been greatest impacted. In the public markets, you can break it down into sort of three big buckets. Enterprise software, consumer internet, and fintech.
Mhm.
And the enterprise software group is down roughly 60 to 65% off of where they were if you go back to like November of 2021. And so if you take the universe of SaaS companies in the public markets, there's now almost 100 of them. That equates to basically $1 trillion of market cap going away since November. And the highest flying recent IPO of any of these companies was Snowflake. And Snowflake's trading multiple, revenue multiple, the way it's valued, I think I saw is down over 70%. And among the highest growing companies like Snowflake, that universe of companies is kind of down 80%. So enterprise software is 65% off the highs. Consumer internet is like 70% off of their highs. And then fintech has been hit the hardest. It's like 80%. I cover biotech a little less, although we have a big bio and health practice at our firm. And that looks like this too. I mean, 70, 80% or more off. And the crazy thing is, I mean, this is like simple math. So, bear with me, but like when you're down 80%, even if you go up another 50% after you go down 80%, you're still 70% off your overall high, right? So that's why the magnitude of this is so severe. And even with rebounds, like in the last couple of days of the week, there were some of the growth stocks that appeared to be sort of public market investors short covering,
Right.
with stocks going up 15, 20, 25%. It still barely makes even a little dent in the impact of how far you've fallen before. So anyway, that's the sort of magnitude, and that's how we're talking to our founders about it. It's like, hey, look, like it was great that we did what we did in 2021, that we raised, and that you were able to get capital from lots of different places. But this is a 60 to 80% correction.